Do you have a business idea that you would like to see portrayed through an interesting and captivating animated video? Are you interested in promoting your business in a simple but unique and interesting way? Do you want to stand out from your competition in the industry that only use old-school ideas like boring PowerPoint presentations? Do you have a complicated idea and you need help communicating it in an easily understandable manner to your audience? What better way to convey your idea through an animated video or a series of pictures? Here at iDrawing, our whiteboard animation services are perfect for expressing your ideas. We develop original whiteboard animation videos for clients around the world. We know that every project requires individual attention and time. Therefore, we cater to each and every customer in a way that they feel like they are our only client. We work with our clients individually and closely to understand their particular needs and requirements. Our illustrators make sure that the final videos exceed our clients' expectations.